Hey civil engineers, welcome to the Civil Unboxing channel. In this video, we will learn to calculate the number of bricks in a wall. Nowadays, it is very much essential to gather knowledge about the regular construction job. I think it will help you a lot. So, without wasting time, let's get started. But before going to the topic, I request you to please do like, share and please subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell icons for regular updates. Hi, my name is Suman and I make videos on civil engineering practical knowledge. So, at the very first, we will know the basic properties of bricks. So, as per IS code 1077, bricks are classified into two categories. They are mainly number 1, modular brick, number 2, non-modular brick. In modular brick, we having the dimension of 190 mm by 90 mm by 90 mm, whereas in non-modular brick, we are having the dimension of 230 mm by 110 mm by 70 mm. So, in this picture, you can clearly see that there are different types of bricks, that is modular brick and non-modular brick with a regular standard dimensions. So as you can see, the size of modular brick relatively small size, but in India non-modular brick is vastly used in regular construction job. Remember, these non-modular bricks are also used with some variations of dimension in different states of India. So today we will know the non-modular bricks calculation in wall. For example, we having a wall of length 10 meters, height of 3 meters and a thickness of 240 mm thick. So let's calculate the volume of one non-modular brick by multiplying the dimension of 0.23 into 0.11 into 0.07 m3. So total we get the value 0.001771 m3. Next we have to calculate the volume of one brick with cement mortar by multiplying those factors. They are 0.24 into 0.12 into 0.08 m3, which comes the value up to 0.002304 m3. While considering the volume of one brick with cement mortar, we are taking average 10 mm thickness extra value of mortar at each side of brick. Now we have to calculate the total volume of the given brick wall by multiplying the given data values, that is length into breadth into height of the wall, that is we get 10 into 3 into 0.24 m3. So we got the value of 7.2 m3, which is the total volume of the given brick wall. So we can get the numbers of non-modular bricks are by dividing the values by 7.2 by 0.002304. So here we get, after dividing 3125 numbers of bricks. This is the total numbers of brick required for 10 meter length of a wall with 240 thickness wall. Now our intention is to find out the total volume of all bricks. So we have to again multiply the factors. So these are 3125 into 0.001771. Total volume of all bricks as 5.534 m3. Now by subtracting the values from 7.2 with the total volume of bricks, we got the total mortar required at site volume equal to 1.66 meter cube. So we can roughly say that for 1 cubic meter of brick walls construction, we have requirement of 435 numbers of brick. So I think all of you have got the concept very clearly. In the next video, I will show you how to calculate the cement sand ratio for mortar which is used in this brick wall. So don't miss the next upcoming video. So that's it for today. If you like this concept, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your heartily subscription to my channel always encourages me to make more videos like this. Thank you for sticking to this video. Thanks a lot.